Hi, I'm Janette and I'm a Zenfolio Pro. I'm going to go over managing your payouts. Once your Stripe account has been connected and you started selling products through your Zenfolio site, follow these steps to check the status of your payouts and manage where your payouts are being sent. In your account, you click on the selling icon on the left side of the screen. Once you click on selling, then you click on the settings tab at the top bar. Then you click go to Stripe. After you click on Go to Stripe, you will be led to your Stripe account. Then you click on the Payouts tab. This is where you'll be able to see and manage your payouts. Please keep in mind that when a client places an order through your Zenfolio website, your profit from that order is added to your Stripe balance. Payouts from your Stripe account are issued within 3 to 5 business days to the bank account or debit card associated with your Stripe account. If you have any questions regarding any payouts or how to manage your payouts via your Stripe account, feel free to reach out to us via chat or by emailing support@zenfolio.com.